Hello, everybody. Where's Kayla? There's Kayla. We are at the Shelby County Area Technology Center, close to Shelby County High School on Rocket Lane.
And we're here to do our monthly giveaway. So we're gonna wait for a couple of you guys to hop on, and then we're gonna give you a little spiel about dental hygiene, and then we're gonna name out the winner of the giveaway
For October, and we have a really good giveaway for you guys. You want to talk about the giveaway?
Yeah, so for the giveaway we have an electric toothbrush, whitening strips, toothpaste, some travel toothbrushes, and a bunch of other really great stuff for dental hygiene month.
And it's enough for a family, so we're really excited for the winner of this month. It's a $100 value, so we're very excited to give that to this October winner. So at the end of this, we'll announce that winner. So we're going to go on in, and we're just going to show you the Shelby County Area Technology Center has different programs for high school students in Shelby County, Spencer County, and Eminence Independent. So that's 3 out of 4 of North Central District Health Department's counties. And the high schoolers will graduate with their certificate at the program that they're in. Specifically today for dental hygiene awareness, we're talking about the dental program with Becky Clark as the dental instructor and some students that are going to talk to you about dental hygiene education. So let's head on in. They've done a lot of remodeling to this building since Kayla and I went to school here, and it looks beautiful.
It was just one wing when I came here, and it's huge now. So
it's gorgeous. They've done a lot of updates.
So we're glad we're able to be here to let you know what this place has to offer to the students here.
So if you're a parent of a high schooler or a middle schooler that's about to be in high school, please make sure you watch this video. So outside of Becky Clark's classroom, she's got her radiation safety certificates for her students, and her OSHA and HIPAA certifications for her students as well. So they are certified, they're learning, and we're going to introduce you now to Miss Clark. Hello, everybody.
Hi, I'm Miss Clark. Welcome to our Dental Careers classroom at the Area Technology Center. Students from Shelby, Henry, and Spencer County can come here, and Eminence High School can come here and get their certificates so they can work as a dental assistant. These are 3 of my current students.
Hi, I'm Ellie Brown, and I'm from Spencer County High School. I'm a senior, and I first got interested in this program because I didn't know much about the dental field, but I knew it was somewhere I wanted to be. So I just thought I could learn more and get some experience in our internships and just learn more about the field of dentistry.
And this is?
I'm Kaylin Koppel. I'm also a senior at Spencer County High School, and I joined this class to get more experience and learn about different dental careers and hope to further my experience in college.
What do you think you want to do when you graduate? Like, what's your ultimate career goal?
I'll probably go to hygiene school in the future.
And Ellie, what did you want to do?
I plan on going to the University of Kentucky, and I want to go to dental school.
Dental
Become
school.
a dentist.
Be a dentist. Okay.
Yeah.
And you are?
I'm Mason Trent, and I'm a senior at Collins High School. What interested me is I always thought dentistry was very interesting, so I wanted to join this class and get a feel if I really want to do it. And so I'm enjoying it a lot, so I'm planning on going to hygiene school and getting my
Be a dental hygienist. Yeah.
All right.
Cool.
It's nice to meet you all. So you want to tell us a little more about your class?
Yeah, so it's actually a 3-class sequence. So the first 2 classes are general medical, allied health classes, and you learn about different parts of the healthcare industry. And then your senior year, you participate in this class, and it's a 3-block class where whatever your home high school is, you either drive or are bused over here. You are in the class 3 days a week learning about dentistry in books and hands-on in our clinic over here. We'll show you in a second. And then 2 days a week, our students go out in dental offices and work. In the past, they've been volunteer, unpaid internships. But now we have turned those into paid internships. All of our kids are making $14.50 an hour
Nice.
during the school
Wow.
day, working at dental offices. And then most of them are working after school in different hours at the same rate as a dental assistant while they continue their education here. So you will get your OSHA, your HIPAA, and your radiation safety certificates while you're in this class, which will allow you to take dental x-rays on patients. And then after school, you can either continue to work as a dental assistant right here. So you can continue to work as a dental assistant. The average pay, starting pay in Kentucky is $16 an hour for a dental assistant. You can also become a dental hygienist like Mason and Kaylin like to do. The average pay, starting pay, is $34 an hour for a dental hygienist, and it takes 2 to 4 years of college to complete. You can also go on to become a dentist. The average pay is about $78 per hour, or $152,000 a year. And that, again, is just a starting average pay. So these are some of the awesome things that you can do after dental school or after our school. These are some of my students that have completed this class. I'm so proud of all of them. Most of them are either working in dental now or going to school to be a hygienist or a dentist.
So, quick question: if when should parents and students sign up for this program? Freshman year, going into freshman year?
So you can start the medical classes your freshman year, but usually it's sophomore. You take 1 or 2 as a sophomore, another one as a junior, and then by the time you're a senior, you can devote 3 periods to this class. I do recommend that you try to keep as many blocks open as possible during your senior year, so try to get things completed. That way you can work in your internship for more hours. So some of our students, like Kaylin, has extra time in her schedule because all of her English and math classes here are online classes with JCTC.
Okay.
So she comes here, and other than that, she pretty much has her block open to work in the dental offices as much as possible and get as much experience as possible.
Awesome. All right, so let's look at these boxes. They've got some examples of different things that they do in the class and work with. So these are some x-rays, teeth, and they practice doing x-rays. These are some of the tools.
To do the x-rays, yeah.
Hello, Rachel Phillips. Thanks for saying hi. I'm glad you're on. And this one is for the dentist and the assistant. Some numbing medicine here on this syringe.
Yeah.
So you may have seen these when you all have been to the dentist. Here we've got some teeth. They assure me they're clean and sanitized. So
These are actual extracted teeth that have been sanitized.
that's
So
cool.
these came out of patient's mouth. Here's a really cool one that has a big cavity in it. That was a wisdom tooth that was extracted because of decay.
Wow. So in a minute, these students are going to tell us how to prevent those cavities. Hi, Lexi. Hi, Belle. Thank you guys for joining us today. And then these for a dental lab tech. They may make molds like this.
Here's a partial denture that a lab tech would make and a regular denture. Some of these are impressions. This is a bridge, or actually it's individual crowns that a lab tech would have made.
Very cool. I want to join this class.
I know, and these are some night guards that have been made. And then these are some tools that a hygienist would use. And since this month, October, is Dental Hygiene Month, we're going to have Ellie give us some tips on dental hygiene and how to take care of our teeth.
All right. They asked if I've got somebody commenting saying, show us the students. So here they are. Here's the students.
It's very important that you brush twice a day with a fluoride toothpaste. So I'm just going to demonstrate, like, you want to make sure you're brushing in circular motions and getting all of the cracks and crevices of the teeth. And you want to brush the gums too. And so once you just make your way around your mouth, then you want to make sure you're brushing your tongue too, in the back of your teeth. So, yep.
What else do we need to do besides brush?
Well, we need to floss once a day. So when you're flossing, make sure that you get in between each groove of the teeth and get all the plaque removed.
Yeah. So
And
brush twice, floss once.
Brush, and then where do we need to go to help prevent cavities and gum disease?
So you need to schedule your regular checkup with your dentist every 6 months and visit them just to get cleanings and checkups on your teeth.
Good. Anything else you'd like to share with them?
Yes.
One other tip is to drink tap water that contains fluoride. Also, stop smoking and using tobacco products.
Yes, definitely.
And also want to limit your sugary drinks. Rita, would you like to show them
Sure.
our sugar board?
So they've got a sugar board in their classroom. I don't know about you, but this is pretty eye-opening. We'll just go through. This is the amount.
Sugar to the way
Yeah, so Mountain Dew, this is how much sugar is in the Mountain Dew bottle of this size.
And then if you move over here to my favorite drink, Red Bull right here. See all that sugar? I need to quit. I really do.
Yeah,
But it's so hard.
we have to work on that. So
Look at
this is just
a caramel
eye-opening.
frap. I get one of these like at least twice a week. And look at all the sugar in it.
So definitely keep your appointments with your dentist, Kayla, because you'll be drinking these drinks a lot. So this is really cool. I'm glad to see all this. Just a little visual to show you. Even orange pineapple juice from Welch's. So just watching that sugar and reading the labels on the back of your cans as well. So we've got Miss Becky's Clark's desk over here. And I'm going to take you over to their lab area, and the students are going to show you what they do during class. So it's a mock dental exam. Oh.
So
Today we learned about.
today we've been learning about like the different teeth and just identifying them. So today I'm going to use this mirror and just kind of look around in Kaylin's mouth and like identify different teeth. So here's our right.
Tell them the different types of teeth.
So we've identified the front anterior teeth. We have the central incisors and then the lateral incisors. And then here is her canine teeth. And then in the posterior part of the mouth, we have the premolars and the molars. And so each teeth has a number and just different identifications. There's different identifications between the maxillary, which is the top teeth, and the mandible, the bottom teeth. So we just use our mirror to kind of see the different parts of the teeth to identify them.
Do you want to show them the numbers of the teeth? Tell them which start at 1 and show them where 1 is. I'm testing her out. We're
Wow.
just now learning
Putting her on the spot.
I'm trying to think if it's the right or left side.
Right.
Okay, so her right side, we start with 1 with the third molar, which is actually the wisdom tooth.
Does she have one?
She
Does not.
not have her wisdom tooth.
Oh, is that common?
Did you have them extracted? No. So they may just be under the gums and not have erupted yet.
Okay.
An X-ray would show us that.
Nice.
So number 1 is usually that wisdom tooth. So we skip 1, and the next
So
tooth in
then
her
it would be
mouth.
2. So she has her first and second molars here. And then the next 3 and 4 is the premolars. And then what she has all her premolars, some people don't. So then the canine is the 6th, sorry. And then 7 and then and 7 is the lateral, and then the central is 8, and then we have 9. So then the numbers just work the way around the teeth, and then go to the bottom teeth and work the way around. So a normal set of permanent teeth has 32 teeth, but it differentiates between each person.
Wow, that's awesome. Well, you're doing a great job, Becky, and these students are learning a lot, as you can tell. They have a great classroom setup. You can see their lab here, and they've got, I believe, 4 chairs. Let's see if we can get a better view of the lab, and then their classroom setting with their desk and everything as well.
Girls, tell everybody Mason, where are you working in your internship?
So I work in Middletown. It's called Right Touch Dental, and we just started
Last week.
Yeah, last week. And so right now I'm just getting a feel for the dentist or the dental office and you know, helping around like sterilizing instruments, which means like cleaning and setting up rooms, cleaning them up, disinfecting.
Would you like to take Miranda over here and show us our sterilization area, and you can kind of give her a feel for what you're doing in your internship?
Yes.
Why don't you follow him over there to our sterilization area?
They have a real setup here, you guys.
So
So
take the tray behind you and put some gloves on and tell her and show her exactly what you do. Hang right, go over there.
all right.
Sorry, it's tight.
We're working our way around the room here. Kayla, what are you thinking?
I'm blown away. Not even my nursing school had this. Like, wow.
And this is right here in Shelby County, you guys. And I'm just want to say again, Spencer County Schools, Shelby County Schools, and Eminence Independent, students can come here by shuttle or driving. So parents, if you have any kids that may be interested in this field, certainly going into high school or in high school freshman year, certainly reach out to Becky. I've got their site information that will be posted right after this video for their website. And their contact information. So certainly reach out if you guys have anyone in your household that is interested in dental. This is a great program.
Give a big shout out to Mortensen Family Dental. Most of the equipment you see here was generously donated for our students by them.
Yeah, thank you, Mortensons, for sure. Okay, so Mason, what you got?
So, say these are dirty, right? And obviously they would come on one of those trays.
Yeah.
So we pick them up and put them in
Show him. Walk through it.
this thing called an ultrasonic, which knocks off all the bioburden, which is like bodily fluids. Okay. And then you put the thing back on.
It's not plugged in.
It's not plugged in, but you would turn on the on button and it would usually run for what, 5 minutes? Yeah.
All right.
And then just get some dry instruments if you want out of there. And so you would take them out of the autoclave. And then what do you do with them from there, Mason? I'm sorry, out of the ultrasonic, what he just put them in. And then what do you do with them there?
So you would dab them dry, rinse them off a little bit,
And the bags are behind you. They're there.
and then you get,
Just an autoclave bag.
yeah. Put them,
Why do we bag them? Put you on the spot.
Becky's putting her students on the spot. We didn't know we had a quiz today,
I know,
did we?
right? Why do we want to keep them in a bag after we've autoclaved them? To keep them
oh,
clean.
to keep them clean.
Yeah,
I thought you were
yeah.
talking about- okay,
No,
okay,
so we
yeah.
put them in the bags so that they stay clean after they've
Yeah.
been completely sterilized. So go ahead and show them how you do that.
So you put these, and it depends, you know, most offices, like my office, we separate certain instruments, like we'll put like a mirror in its own separate bag anyways. So,
You peel off the sticker there to seal it and fold it over. And then it's nice and airtight and sealed. And then where do you put it?
and then you put it,
On this
On a
tray.
tray.
They're on top there. Just put it in there. There you go. So you put that tray, show them how you put it in there. This is an autoclave, and it's a high heat and steamed. Just go ahead and stick it in there. And the instruments go in there, and then we close it and seal it. And the steam will penetrate the paper part of those bags and completely sterilize all of those instruments. And then when they come out, they're still sealed in that bag until right before we use it with the patient.
Very neat. Well, thank you so much. That was awesome. So they go step by step in this program, as you can tell, and they learn the ins and the outs, and they are ready for their internships and then ready for jobs after high school. Is there anything else that you guys would like to add? Did we cover everything we wanted to talk about?
Yeah, I think so. I think it's a really great program because like at my school, they have certifications for nurses, but here we get actual like clinical experience like in our internships, which most programs don't have. So I think that's really cool, like especially since we're just in high school, and the fact that we're getting paid to do so.
Yay!
I think it's a lot better, or I'm biased, but I think it's like a great opportunity, and I just think more people need to hear about it. So I'm glad we're doing this.
Yes, well, we're happy to share the news. Thank you all for having us. I'm going to turn it around to me and Kayla here. We do have a couple of things to say before we draw our winner. The students are going to draw the winner for us here in just a moment of our October giveaway. But we wanted to tell you guys that we'll be at the Spencer County Library on Thursday for COVID vaccine and flu shots from 10 to 1. So please come out to the Spencer County Library if you still need any COVID vaccines or flu shots. We are not going to have the Moderna booster. That's in the works. We have heard that the FDA approved the Moderna booster, but we are in the works of that and waiting official approval. So next week we'll be posting on our Facebook page and website at the North Central District Health Department or ncdhd.com for that information about how to get the Moderna booster vaccination. So stay tuned for that. We will be posting that. Kaylee, you want to talk about our health fair?
And we're going to have a health fair November 18th from 3 to 7 on Henry Clay Street Baptist Church. We're going to be inside where the gym is, and we're going to have tons of vendors, and you're going to be able to go to the booths. The students here will be there doing some dental education, and we're also going to have the nursing students there, and a vision place, a dental place, so many different things that will be there to help you guys out. And at the end of it, we're also going to be giving away turkeys to those who participated.
Store-bought turkeys just in time for Thanksgiving. Everybody needs a turkey.
Everybody come and join us there, and then the turkeys are first come, first serve. So,
And all you have to do to get those is go to all the booths, have the booth that you attend sign a signature that you went to that booth, and then turn that paper in and get a free store-bought turkey between 15 and 20 pounds. So definitely everybody come out. We've had some donations for those from Anthem and from Clay Street Baptist Church. So they are limited, first come, first serve. But that will be from 3 to 7 on November the 18th at Clay Street Baptist Church. So we hope to see you all there. And then we also have on November the 16th on Zoom our Health, Hope, and Happiness COVID-19 series, where you'll see Kayla and I and a speaker, and we'll be talking about anxiety and relating that to COVID and just over the last 2 years, how we've all been through anxieties and how to cope with that. So we hope to see you on our Zoom. You can find that information on our North Central District Health Department Facebook page as well. So now it's time that we've all been waiting for. We're going to announce the winner of this October. We got a drum roll. Who's going to do the honors? Who's going to win this month's giveaway?
Andrea Newland Craig.
Andrea Craig. Okay. Congratulations, Andrea. Thank you guys so much. We appreciate all of you doing this live with us today. We'll see you all at the health fair, the Together as One health fair on November the 18th. And Andrea, we're going to message you. So just look for that message on your Facebook Messenger. Kayla, anything else?
Nope, you got it all, girl.
All right. Well, it's good to talk to you all, and have a good day.